Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solder wires together. Ooh, you can feel the heat coming off of that soldering iron, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to take this phone here. Now you can see we have some wires here. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be soldering those wires together. And then in another video, probably I'll show you how to wire and solder up to NASA specifications. So let's begin. Let's see. This video might look a little bit different. It might be like vertical because I'm using my phone on a desk phone stand. And get in focus. Okay, let's make sure all these wires are nice and tidy together. Okay. Okay, now we have our solder and our iron. So now what we want to do is take our thing here, melt solder onto the wires, like so. And there you go. You have soldered your wires together. Ta-da! Oh, that kind of mid yellow brownish color. Ooh, it smells like burning rubber. Okay, that's soldered. Next wire. Sorry if I'm blowing into the microphone. Let me see. So that wire. So now let's do the green wires. This is a telephone thing. I hook it up, it works. The bell doesn't with the bell is shot. Even though it has resistance and continuity, I don't know what's wrong with it. The neon light does blink, so when I call the house, I have this plugged in, it goes. It doesn't make sound. It's just like just blinks repetitively, because that's what it is. It's a pulse of energy, because that's how it knows to ring. That's how like new phones know to ring. It's like it sends a pulse. Now we're gonna do the same thing here, except on the green wire. There you go. Damn it. Get back up here, you little turd. That's that one soldered. It's, of course, essentially, it soaks through the wire. Now let's do the black wire. Let's do the black wire. There's solder on the ground. Damn it. You want to hold it like a pencil, or a pen, whatever you want to, because, I mean, you got to use precision with it. Ta-da! No, don't knock down the phone again. Soldering iron power cord. I think that's what knocked it over. Yeah, see, like it's a bit unstable. So that's yellow, green, black. Now we have grid wire. And there's like blue and white wires here. I don't know what those are for. This just says yellow, green, red, black. whatever order you want to put it in. Let's do the red. Get that. Other wires out, do we? There. This is Rosencore solder 6040 for PC work. Well, I'm not using PC work, but whatever. Yeah, this is so out of focus. There. It's a little bit better. And there you go. We have soldered your wires. I actually melted a glob of solder on a light bulb once. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back inside. I'm going to tape all these wires up, or put probably I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably tensor, I'll put tape and maybe silicone on them. Not silicone, like just to isolate them, like insulate them. So yeah, that's how you solder wires together. So now let me go get the silicone and the electrical tape. Okay, I got the silicone. It's Seal All, gas and oil resistant. Let me unplug the soldering iron so nobody burns themselves. Oh no, it'll be hot, but whatever. We're gonna put a dab of silicone on each wire. Smells like weed and gasoline. Okay. See the big glob right there? Alexa, how many tablespoons are in a tablespoon? Only Gopnik uses such measurement! Get on there, lad. Get in your house. It's your new home. Ugh, these wires are so hard to work with. Small tap. Toupe tape. No, whatever. I took the handset off to make it easier to work with. That way you don't see a handset there. That's what the problem is. Don't stick to these wires. And I took the silicone with it. Nah. Yeah. Maybe I just won't do the tape. Let's just do the silicone for now. Okay. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. So I want to thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, stuff like that. I'm not gonna beg you to subscribe, but it would really help. I'm not one of those people that are like, have you subscribed yet? I don't do sponsorships because it just seems like it, because I just find it annoying. So yeah, if I ever get a sponsor, I'm gonna say nah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.